The ancient Southeast Asian monarchs kept white elephants. To possess white elephants were regarded as a sign that the monarch reigned with justice and power, and that the kingdom was blessed with peace and prosperity. However, it took a lot of effort and money to manage these rare albino elephants. A king of Thailand gave a white elephant to a courtier who had displeased him. The elephant was a great burden to the courtier. It was a gift from the king, so he could not put the blame on others. And if the elephant died of illness, he could be driven into a traitor to the king. Moreover, since the white elephant was considered sacred and laws protected them from labor, he had to do his best to feed and take care of it without being able to work. The courtier, who put a lot of effort and money into taking care of the elephant and couldn't even do his job properly, eventually went bankrupt. It was a blessing because the animal was sacred and a sign of the monarch's favor, and a curse because the recipient now had an expensive to maintain animal he could not give away and could not put too much practical use. In modern usage, a white elephant is a metaphor used to describe an object, construction project, scheme, business venture, facility, etc., considered expensive but without equivalent utility or value relative to its acquisition and maintenance costs. Isn't there any white elephant in your organization?